Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to insert a chart with X and Y coordinates in Excel. So, for instance, I have this chart with the car models and its released month. Now, what I need to do is select this table and go to Insert tab. Here in Charts ribbon, I will click on this Insert Scatter X and Y and select this option. Here it will show me the coordinates of car model and its released month like this. So if in case you want to change the X coordinates with the Y coordinates, then you can just simply go to Filter and then click on Select Data. It will select these data for you. And now click on Edit. And here you need to replace this with the Y coordinates and this with the X coordinates. And like that, you will have a different with a flipped graph in your chart. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.